Who doesn't love a cheesesteak? Cheesesteaks are a great, quick, simple dinner because it's a sandwich that feels like a meal. It's steak, it's cheese, it's bread. What's not to love? Let's start with the meat. I got two choices here for you. One is if you're feeling spendy, it's a ribeye steak, a boneless ribeye. You've got fantastic fat all through it, and that's gonna give the steak a really rich flavor, but not overly meaty. It's delicious. This is a chuck eye steak. Chuck eye is less expensive than ribeye. It's actually known as the poor man's ribeye, but it's still got this great marbling through it, and it's gonna make a delicious cheesesteak. The trick to getting super thin cheesesteak meat is actually to put the meat in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's not enough to freeze it, just to get it nice and firm so you can get those really super thin, tender cheesesteak slices. Get these slices as thin as you have the patience for. If you can see through it, that's a good slice of cheesesteak. So now you've got a big pile of meat. What are you gonna do with it? You're gonna put it into a super hot pan. Start off the meat with a little bit of olive oil and put it right into a sizzling hot pan. Don't overcrowd the meat. If you put too much meat in, it's going to steam rather than fry. And we want the meat fried because we want that delicious brown crispy bit on the outside. It's gonna be amazing. I will put in a little bit of salt just to bring out the flavors of the cheesesteak, but not too much salt because you're going to be putting salty cheese on top and you don't want to oversalt it. Okay, I've got a sliced roll ready right here. I like to put my steak right in, whoop, man overboard. I put the hot meat right onto the roll from the pan because it's hot, it's sizzling, and it means that you don't have to clean another plate. So we've got the bread and the meat, perfect. Now it's time for the cheese. This is the way I like it. Some people put the cheese on in the pan and have it melt over the meat in the pan. I like it a little textured on the top, and I like mine with sharp cheddar cheese. I know people in Philadelphia are gonna get upset about this. That's what I like. You can use provolone, you can use an orange cheese sauce. There's no wrong way to do this. Whatever way you like it is the right way to do it. Cheesesteaks, dinner's ready.